students. So today we have to learn the first chapter of the 12th science, which is a reproduction in lower and higher plants. So first chapter, reproduction in lower and higher plants. So inside that, first of all we have to focus on the what is a reproduction. So reproduction, it is a process or it is a production of young ones like their parents. So the young ones are produced as their parents, which is called as reproduction. And such a reproduction is having an essential process and which shows or includes the continuity of a species, either continuation of the species as well as it maintains the continuity of life. So continuity of life is maintained with the help of that reproduction, and hence why it is the essential process. So reproduction, formation, production of new young ones as their parents, which is important as their parents or as like their parents. So the reproduction, each individual having that process reproduction, and each individual has their own mechanism, either own method of the reproduction. So which are these methods? So all these methods are categorized inside the two methods and the two categories, which is the asexual reproduction and another which is the sexual reproduction. So asexual reproduction, so it is having the asexual, the reproduction takes place or does not involve any fusion of gametes, either sex cells. So the production of individuals takes place but without fusion of any gametes, either any sex cells. So it is called as asexual reproduction. So such a asexual reproduction having or takes place in different ways. Okay, and in the asexual reproduction, the individuals are developed as like their parents and from a single parent. Okay, so inside that asexual reproduction, the offsprings are the progeny developed, which is a genetically identical. Okay, and inherit their genes, either characters inside their offsprings, but from a which single parent. So single parent, and throughout that single parent, the gametes are genes are transmitted. So such a genetically identical offsprings are called as, in case of asexual reproduction, the clones. So in the asexual reproduction, genetically identical organisms are developed from a single parent, and these are called as clones. Okay, and the asexual reproduction having a different pathways, either modes, either ways. So these are called as a fragmentation, budding and spore formation. So first of all we have to see the fragmentation. So inside that fragmentation, what happened? The body of an organism divided into a different fragments, either different pieces. So the example is a Spirovera, which is a well-known example of 11th standard. Also we have to see in that fragmentation. Afterwards, second method, which is a budding. Okay, so budding, inside that budding, formation of bud, either another term which is a outgrowth. So development of outgrowth, either bud takes place. Example is a unicellular yeast. Whenever the favorable conditions are takes place, that time the two or more buds are developed and the outgrowths are developed on the body, and the unfavorable condition or whenever they get separated from their body, so they grow as a whole organism, either whole individual body. Afterward, third one is the spore formation. Spore formation is the third method of asexual reproduction. Inside that, formation of a spore takes place. Example is a Chlamydomonas. Also this one is found inside the 11th standard book. So Chlamydomonas, inside that Chlamydomonas, the spores are developed, and such spores are flagellated and the motile. So the spores are flagellated, so they are having the flagella, and motile, so motile they show the movement, so hence why they are called as a motile. So motile and flagellated. flagella, they are having the flagella, and with the help of that flagella they show the movement, and hence why they are called as a motile. So zoospores are developed in Chlamydomonas, and they are having the flagellated and motile spores. Afterward, the other methods are seen inside the reproduction. So other methods, asexual reproduction. So other methods are the binary fission. The binary fission, the body is divided into two equal parts. So binary fission, example is amoeba and paramecium. Conidia formation, the best example is a penicillium, and third one is the gemule formation. So gemule formation of a gemule, which is the internal bud, and the example is the sponges. Okay, so today we have to see the first chapter, or inside that reproduction in lower and higher